38. Windows 11 tips and tricks you need to know. 38.
1. Connect to your pride. Pride is open source. At a time when pride is getting harder to celebrate, we are empowering organizers around the world by open sourcing our designs and inviting everyone to remix, share, and make more pride. 2. Talk instead of type. This function will help you to use speech recognition to convert spoken words into text anywhere on your PC. 3. Quickly change settings. Press Windows logo key plus A to get to commonly used settings like volume, brightness, and Wi-Fi. Find your accessibility settings here too. 4. Open Xbox Game Bar over your game. Press Windows logo key plus G to open Game Bar and see achievements, chat with friends, and capture your favorite gaming moments. 5. Stay up to date with Windows 11 continuous innovation. Windows 11 updates help to provide you with the best experiences year-round. You can also manually check for updates that help maximize performance and security. 6. Make your PC more accessible. Make your mouse pointer, text cursor, and even the words on your screen a different size or color. 7. Quickly organize open apps. Hover over a Windows Maximize button or press Windows logo key plus Z. Then choose a snap layout to optimize your screen space and your productivity. The snap feature is a great way to improve your productivity by sharing many app windows in a single screen. Different layouts are available with many sizes to choose from, so you can get the most from your favorite apps when you are working on specific tasks. 8. Add widgets to a board. Open the widget settings by selecting your avatar. Under Add Widget, select the plus sign plus next to any widget to add it to your board. 9. Keep your kids safer online. Open Microsoft Edge, select your profile, and choose Browse in Kids Mode. Kids Mode shows only age-appropriate content and has privacy controls in place that allow kids to safely explore the web. 10. Manage passwords with Microsoft Edge. When signing into sites, Microsoft Edge will offer to save your passwords and automatically fill them in for you. To manage your saved passwords, select Settings and More, click Settings, Profiles, Passwords. 11. Digitize your physical files. Scan your paper docs into digital files and stay organized with OneDrive. 12. Scan your PC for viruses. Best Support Default Windows Security can quickly to scan your PC and find out if anything needs your attention. 13. Search for anything. Press Windows logo key plus S to get personalized search results for people, email, and files in local and shared sites, or from the web. 14. Help protect your online passwords. Microsoft Edge has a built-in password monitor that checks your saved passwords against data breaches and sends you an alert if a password is unsafe, so that you can change it immediately. 15. Take a screenshot. Press Windows logo key plus Shift plus S to capture and mark up all or part of your PC screen or any image. Then save and share. 16. Open the Widgets board. Press Windows logo key plus W or swipe the left edge of your screen to go right to your Widgets board. 17. Get to your files. Press Windows logo key plus E to open File Explorer and find the files and folders you need, including those on OneDrive. 18. Make text bigger. It's easy to increase the size of the text on your screen. 19. Customize your captions. Use a recommended caption style or create a custom style by you. 20. Make the widget board your own. Change your widget board to reflect your interests and show the info you want. To customize, select a widget and go to More, Customize Widget. 21. Snap windows side by side. Press Windows logo key plus right or left arrow to perfectly snap windows to the sides of your screen automatically. No manual resizing or positioning needed. 22. Take Microsoft 365 on the go to download mobile apps to work seamlessly across your devices. 23. Unique passwords protect your datas. Microsoft Edge Password Generator can suggest and remember strong and unique passwords for you. When passwords are exposed in a data breach, criminals will try to use those passwords on other sites in hopes that you've reused them. 24. Save PC storage with the cloud. Store your files in OneDrive instead of locally to save storage space on this device. 25. Navigate with Touch 3. Touch, swipe, and zoom with your fingers, no mouse necessary. 26. Get the OneDrive app on mobile. Take your digital life with you wherever you go. Access, edit, or share your photos and files anywhere, anytime with the OneDrive mobile app. 27. Create more with templates. Bring your vision to life with premium templates and content in Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. 28. Clear window clutter. Press Windows logo key plus D to quickly minimize all your open apps so you can get to your desktop. Press them again to bring everything back. 29. Swipe to change desktops. 3. Swipe 4 fingers left or right on your touch screen to switch to another desktop. Don't forget when touch gestures are enabled, 3 and 4 finger interactions in your apps might not work. To continue using these interactions in your apps, turn off this setting, and you can try out touch gestures on the touchpad of your Windows 10 laptop. 30. Make the text cursor and mouse pointer easier to see. To change the size and color of your text cursor and mouse pointer, go to Start, Settings, Accessibility, Mouse Pointer and Touch and Text Cursor. 31. Keep your files protected and backed up. With your files in OneDrive cloud storage, you don't have to worry about losing them if something happens to your device. 32. Connect with anyone from the taskbar. Select Chat on the taskbar to start a call or chat. If they're on iOS, Android, or Mac, it's easy to send a link so they can join and select Meet Copy Meeting link. 33. Access clipboard history. Press Windows logo key plus V to save recent copied or cut items on the clipboard so you can paste them in other apps or sync across devices. 34. Save money while you shop online. Microsoft Edge has built-in tools for getting the best deal. Coupon alerts, price comparison, cashback rewards with Bing rebates, and more, all for free. 35. Get PowerPoint design ideas. In PowerPoint, select Design. Design ideas on the ribbon to get professional layout suggestions that match the text of your presentation. 36. Switch between open windows. Press Windows logo key plus Tab to show and switch between open windows, apps, or virtual desktops. 37. Stay safer when browsing the web. Microsoft Defender Smart Screen in Microsoft Edge automatically checks links you open to spot harmful sites that may be phishing, scams, or hosting malware. 38. Lock your screen. I love this function. Press Windows logo key plus L to quickly lock your screen so others can't access your PC.